fucking huge flashback goes and I go, maybe. And everyone in the room is like,
Little two drunk brothers garage bonfire, burning the stump pile from where we cleared for the new drinkers garage over there on the other side of Kenny's fifth wheel.
I'm just like, we're playing whatever we're doing.
Buddy Scott, daughter Camille, Kenny, buddy Greg. Getting toasty, more warm in March in Alaska.